Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team Parliament. Today we will learn how to find the broken links or dead links on the website. You need to know the dead and broken links always impacts bad on the website ranking. So we have to find and fix these links. For this purpose I am using deadlinkchecker.com and it's my website. Next click on the check. Enter the CAPTCHA. So here you can see it's checking the all internal and external links on the website. Here you can see let's find 11 broken links. For example, on this page it's a home page and the anchor text is PPC for construction companies. Let's open this link and it has this dead links. It means it's looking like a simple text, but someone added the HTTP protocol before this, so that's why I think it's looking like a dead link. So let's find this. Okay, PPC for construction. I think let's find PPC for, okay, if it's not in the content, then check the navigation and here it is, PPC for construction. Let's open this. Here you can see it's a dead link in the navigation. So we have to fix these by visiting the website admin and change from the menu navigations. So there are a lot of dead links you find on the website. So it's a simple method to find the broken and dead link checker. Subscribe and tap the like button if you want more videos like this. Thank you.